Yo, vlog girl, watch that. Look how dog do to King Alvin brand new pants. The man pants. Yo. I man pants is a man. My man wear with him suit in a vlog girl. Yo. Look how dog do. I say King Alvin. Yo. My youth is a new brand dog. Yo, the man vexing up. Tell her. Talk to them, King Alvin. Yo, the dog. Black girl, watch out.
Releasing dopamine.
Vlog world. Hope everything been great, you know? It's been a while since we do this one-on-one. I'll be a show. I'll be a carnival. We'll the road. We'll put in the world, vlog world. You know put in the world. I'll put in the work. But my day today, Thursday, I'm supposed to go touch the road and go sort out me because I have a I'm fully out. Fully booked out for the whole weekend. Go right back till Sunday. Yeah, I have something to do tomorrow. Saturday I might go beat Juve and vlog. I have a next 2 events. I'm supposed to have a Cesar. This Cesar carnival thing will come up on Sunday too after. So 2 things I do upon the day, yeah. So yeah, that me go do. I get ready and now and touch the road. And also want to tell everybody thanks for the true subscribers, the true viewers, the true people them who actually watch back my video them. But we still have a long way to go. We're almost at 5,000. And I like that, you know. We just want to give God thanks for that. I want to give thanks to all the people them who share my video them and watch my video. I just want to thank you guys. Yeah, we have more work for put in. And yeah, I could keep on do the work now. So I go put on some clothes now and touch the road. You see it? Journey with the boy. Whoop! I go on vlog world so y'all can see. I just changed my ear up, but look like a distance. That vlog world look like a distant and things. So hello. You know what I mean? So right now, yeah, my head kinda still look boring, but I don't know, so we're gonna style it up now soon. And then you guys are gonna see how I look after. I'm gonna transform like Optimus Prime, right? Or something like that. So we're there.
Anyways, ignore these. Anyways, this is Lorenzo's after. Oh my lord. Alright, let me guys, like, comment, subscribe, share. What else? Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Vlog world right now. Not such a great day, is it? Eh? You go check that side there. Where they are. Vlog world. I look for some sitting vlog world. Some boy broke in our bridging car. And we there I look for things them. We find some of the things them. Man them on the thiefness. Star. I don't know a New Kingston today, I see where? Find some of my thing them and some of my passport them. You know what I mean? Because I'm a virgin and him family. Literally, they have vlog world. I can't even know my vex. After 1 in the morning, not even get to show done showing me here. You know what I mean? But now is not the time. Why them broke in the man care vlog world? Monday and sports day, you know. Sports day vlog world. Broken I can't teeth out them whole I man family. Things them start, them dirty sitting there. So we there, I walk. You know what I mean? We get some leads and make 2 link how we find out certain things. You see it? You know what I mean? Boy, them say them drop it off a Yenin road, but we come here and we find certain 1 and 2 things, you know? But we just there look for the thing them vlog about. What am there do, yeah? I tell them I like them thing they no vlog world enough. Yeah, you know hard people have to work for their money. You know hard people have to work for their money. And them scumbag ya star. No, I mean them scumbag ya star. Just come. Yo, right now we're up on Yenin Road and I look. If you think them star. People they must wonder how we are up on the road. But they won't even understand Black Road. My vibes just broke. Free night here. Vibes broke. Vlog world see me area, yeah? My color it and be things. Yeah. You see it? But it kinda pull up now still. It look better than this. We're there my yard. Say yeah, vlog world. So today was a great day. I went to church, I did a shoot today. You know what I mean? Big up to TLC. You know what I mean? Big up to my road manager, aka my family. Yeah, some day I rest. Cause I kinda feel a little bit sick. The person who was carrying around the cords while I was shooting the boy Kaden, the man on bed beside me and a cough star. I know I feel sick, so I take beer medication. Right now I go train guys and try to sort out that thing because hopefully I have beach juve tomorrow. And then come Sunday I have a next shoot again. And then after that I have something called BR Jamaica by Caesar Army. Next thing, say so much event we have. Yeah. So that me depend right now. But separate apart from that guys, happy Easter. You don't know. Happy Easter to all you beautiful peeps. And I hope you guys enjoying the videos and everything that I'm putting up, right? You know what I mean? So yeah, we just there kind of chilly out of those still, but I'm going to go and exercise and see if I can sweat out that thing, yeah? And take a DPH and just shove out and all them things, but yeah, we're just there. And I hope you guys been enjoying your Easter also to eat whole heap of bun and cheese. I can't really fool around the cheese because they don't know. Yeah. But me there vlog world. Thank you very much guys for joining me and keep finger crossed. Hopefully I get to with Beach Juve tomorrow. Can go down there and shoot the video for you guys. Alright, so go and journey with the boy. You see it?
Easily, man I beat them easily.